Translate the dynamic filters using the WPML translation plugin. Let's start. We have installed all required plugins. Now, we will configure the WPML plugin for translation. Our first language for the website will be English by default. And we will translate our website and filter galleries filters into the Hindi language. Select a website URL format that you want to keep while switching between languages. Now, enter your site key to activate the WPML paid version. You can get your site key from your WPML account. Select the Translate What You Choose option for the translation mode. If you have automatic translation credit, then you can go with the Translate Everything Automatically option. Click on the Finish button. After some processing, you will get the WPML plugin installed successfully. Now, we will create a filter gallery with parent and child filters. Give a title to the gallery, like we are creating a website portfolio gallery with filters. We are creating some parent filters for the gallery like blog, photography, business, and e-commerce. Here, we are creating two child filters, travel and food, for the blog parent filter. Using drag and drop functionality, you can assign a child filter to the parent filters, and the other way is using the control button. You can also assign a child filter to the parent. You need to follow important instructions while creating the filter. Now, we will upload images, add them to the gallery, and assign the filters to it. Using drag and drop, you can reposition each image according to your choice. Select Filters button allows you to assign filters on an individual images. Now, click on Settings to go to the Gallery Settings section. There you can manage gallery column settings for different devices like desktop, tablet, and phones. You can also set the thumbnail image size of the gallery images. You can hide and show the gallery title and manage its font size with a color option. The same, you can also do the description. And you can configure almost all settings related to filter gallery elements. In the last step, we will copy the gallery shortcode and create a new page for publishing the gallery. While translating the website using WPML, we need to create each post and page for other languages. Here, we will create the filter gallery page for the Hindi website. First, switch the website language to Hindi, then create and publish the page for the filter gallery. While translating the website through WPML, we also need to create a website menu separately for every language. We selected Hindi as a second language for the website, so need to create two menus, the first for the English website and the second for Hindi. Here we creating the first menu for the English for the website. Now, we are creating the second menu for the Hindi language. You can also add a language switcher with the primary menu. Click on Add a Language Switcher. It will redirect to the WPML language submenu and display a pop-up to configure the setting of the menu language switcher. Configure the setting of the language switcher and press Save to enable it. The language switcher was added to the primary menu. Visit the Filter Gallery page and try to switch between languages. You will see some filters in the Hindi language automatically translated by WPML. But one of the child filters is still in English. So, to translate every filter you need to follow the next step. Now, we will capture all dynamic strings using the WPML plugin and translate all remaining filters. After login to the admin dashboard, go to the WPML Plugins Themes and Plugins Localization submenu page. Scroll down a little bit to the section of Strings in Plugin. Here, select the Filter Gallery Pro plugin. After that, click on the blue button below, Scan Selected Plugin for Strings, to scan the Gallery plugin for all translation-ready strings. Close the pop-up window, and you will see that the WPML plugin has scanned 180 strings. These are the non-dynamic strings that are ready to translate. Now, go to the WPML plugin String Translation submenu page to see all strings. Select the Filter Gallery domain from the in-domain list. You will see all 180 strings have been loaded. Here, we will search for a filter string that we create into the gallery as a filter like business, blog, or photography. But there is no filter string found in the 180 string list. All filter strings are dynamic strings, which are scanned by using WPML special settings. So, scroll down the page and enable two settings. The first setting is Track where strings appear on the site, and enable it by selecting the checkbox and clicking on the Apply button. Now, enable the second setting, Look for the strings while pages are rendered, by selecting the checkbox. Now, visit the website gallery pages once, where the gallery is displayed. Visit all language pages to capture all dynamic strings. WPML will capture all the strings and add them to the 180 string list. Now, go to the admin dashboard again. On the same page, String Translation. Here we need to disable both settings. Refresh the page, and select the Filter Gallery domain from the list to load the string list. You will see there are 6 new additional strings added to the list, now 186 strings. Now, click on the plus sign to add the Hindi translation of the dynamic strings one by one. Here, we are translating the all filter strings now. Here, all our dynamic filter strings have been translated. Now, visit the website Filter Gallery page for the final result. Hope you find the tutorial helpful to you. Thanks for watching. For premium WordPress themes and plugins, visit our store wpfrank.com.